To squeeze every drop of performance from your Intel HD graphics without any third-party tools, with just pure Windows tweaks, command hacks, and driver updates. Whether you are using a low-end PC or trying to boost your rendering speed, here is a simple guide on how to overclock Intel HD graphics. Let's start by forcing high performance mode in Windows to ensure your CPU and integrated graphics are always running at full speed when needed. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Ctrl Power CFG CPL and press enter. This opens the power options window directly. In the power options window, select high performance plan. Next to the plan, click change plan settings. From there, click change advanced power settings. In the new advanced settings window, scroll to the processor power management. Click the plus icon to expand it and expand the minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Set both to 100%. The key benefit is that Windows lowers CPU speed to save energy when idle or during low load tasks. After this tweak, your CPU will remain at its turbo frequency at all times, ensuring instant responsiveness. Moreover, applications like games and video editing will start and run faster. Now let's set the PCI Express to maximum performance. Still in the advanced settings, find the PCI Express, select Link State Power Management and set it to off. The Intel HD graphics communicates with the CPU and memory through the internal PCI Express interface. By disabling Link State Power Management, you are telling Windows not to interrupt GPU data flow, and this will go a long way to reduce micro stuttering and a smoother 2D or 3D rendering for better performance when multitasking with GPU heavy apps. Now let's move on to increase your video RAM. Let's tweak and allocate more system RAM to graphics tasks, which will improve performance in certain games or applications. Let's start by checking the video RAM before the tweak. Right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings. From there, click Advanced Display Settings. Open Display Adapter Properties. Select Display Adapter Properties. A small window will open, showing your graphic processing unit details. Look at the field for your dedicated video memory. This is the video RAM allocated for your PC. Now let's make the change. Open PowerShell, press Windows plus X and click Terminal Admin or search PowerShell in the Start menu and run it as an administrator. Once in PowerShell, type New Item Path HKLM Software Intel Name GMM Force. This command creates the GMM key if it doesn't already exist. This is important because it ensures the path exists before adding values like the dedicated segment size. Now type New Item Property Path HKLM Software Intel GMM Name Dedicated segment size, which specifies the value we are setting. Value 512 sets the value to 512 megabytes in addition to what is already available. Property type dword ensures the data type is dword. Force allows overwriting the value if it already exists. If you want to allocate 1 gigabyte, you can change the value to 1024 instead of 512. This command enables games with higher texture memory requirements run, and it also helps handle heavier graphical workloads like video editing and 3D rendering. Now the next thing to do, which is ideal for improving performance, compatibility and stability, is to update the Intel HD graphics to the latest version from the Intel official website. Open your preferred web browser and type Intel HD graphics download. Choose the first suggestion by the search engine, which is basically the official website. Do not use drivers from Windows Update or third-party sites. They are outdated. On the official page, click Get Started to automatically update all your drivers and software. When done, click Save Report to obtain details of the drivers and softwares that was updated. Now you're done. Your Intel HD graphics is now running the latest official driver for Intel. You can expect slight performance boost in older games, better support for DirectX, and also a smoother video playback and lower CPU usage. From here, you can restart your PC to ensure the changes apply. Moreover, I have built a tool that will overclock your Intel HD graphics with just one click. The IntelGFX Booster Pro is your all-in-one performance enhancer for Intel HD graphics. Click in the link in the pinned comment. You'll be taken to my Gumroad page to download the tool. Open the downloaded folder in your web browser. Right-click on the zip file, click Open, and choose Extract All. Follow the prompts to extract the files into a folder you can easily access. Inside, you'll see the IntelGFX Booster tool. Right-click on the tool and just run it as administrator. Confirm the prompt, sit back, and let your Intel GPU unlock its hidden potential. This custom-built tool automates the overclocking tweaks, boosts video RAM allocation, and even locks in your preferred power plan. It does all, keeping things safe and reversible. Whether you are a gamer on a budget or a content creator squeezing power out of integrated graphics, IntelGFX Booster Pro saves you time, clicks, and guesswork. After applying all tweaks, restart your PC. This ensures all changes are applied and loaded on boot. To confirm the changes, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Select CPU. While idle, your CPU will remain at or near its base clock speed. When you run a heavy task, CPU should ramp up instantly and stay at full performance. You would also realize your integrated graphics will stay in high performance mode and there will be no more throttling. To check your video RAM, right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings. Click Advanced Display Settings. Open the display adapter properties by clicking Display Adapter. A small window will open showing your graphics processing unit like I spoke earlier. Look out for the dedicated video memory. You should see an increase in your video RAM. This value may reflect the tweak if the Intel driver handles it. If it still hasn't improved, the system can still use additional shared system memory for graphics. Shared system memory is how much RAM your integrated graphics can borrow. If these two helped you boost your Intel graphics performance, share your before and after performance.